In this video, I am going to show you how to fix missing stickers on Instagram app. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram application, and now let me show you how to add stickers to your Instagram story. So first you can swipe to the right to open up your camera, then you can take a photo. And now you can here tap add stickers icon to select a sticker that you want. There you can find all stickers on Instagram. You can scroll down and select those stickers from here, or if you can't find the stickers that you want in here, you can also use search to find specific sticker. Just tap here and for example I'll search for add yours. I'll typing add yours, and now here I can tap on that sticker and add it to my story. But if for some reason you can't find the sticker that you want even using a search, it may happen because of some bugging or glitching of Instagram application, and now let me show you how you can solve that problem. So first just hop out of here and open up settings. Then in here tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. Here wait for a couple of seconds and then scroll down until you find Instagram. In here all you have to do is offload that app and then force reinstall that app. So first tap on offload app, then confirm it. It removes all core data of Instagram app, but it keeps all your personal information like login sessions, like your personal data. So you can now tap on reinstall app, and now it's being downloaded latest version of Instagram app. So it removes any bugging or glitching if you have so with your app, and now you just have to wait for some period of time, about 1 minute, and then you can open up your Instagram app and use it as you normally do. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.